Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in O1 and O2 class of biology, I have discussed about the human digestive system in the man. First, I explain to the student that what is the meaning of digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of complex food substance into the simpler food substance which can be absorbed into the bloodstream for body use. Then I explain about the steps which is involved in the process of digestion. It is separated into the 4 steps. One is the ingestion, second is the digestion, then absorption and egestion. Ingestion means when we are taking the food into the mouth, that is called the ingestion. Digestion is the mechanical and the chemical breakdown of the food. Absorption, that is the absorption of the nutrients from the digestive system to the circulatory and the lymphatic capillaries. And egestion is the removal of the undigested material from the digestive tract. Then I share this picture with the student to know the parts of the digestive system. Then I explain about the different parts involved in the digestive system. Like the first start from the mouth. The digestion is start from the mouth, and in the mouth there is a salivary amylase, the enzyme which is play a very important role in the digestion of food. In the mouth, it breaks the starch into the maltose. Then from the pharynx, there is an act of swallowing takes place. The role of the pharynx is to facilitate the passage of the food bolus into the esophagus. Esophagus is also called the food pipe, and it will pass the food bolus from the mouth into the stomach by the process of peristalsis. Then I explain the digestion in the stomach. In the stomach, there is a gastric juices there. It contains a 2 enzyme and an acid. These are the pepsin and the renin. These are the name of enzyme, and the HCl is the acid. The pepsin break down the protein into the short polypeptides, and the renin coagulates the soluble milk protein casinogen to insoluble curd casein, which is then acted upon by the pepsin and broken down to polypeptides. And hydrochloric acid having different functions. Number 1, it activates the inactive form of pepsinogen to pepsin. It provides the acidic environment for the action of pepsin, and it kills the bacteria and stops the food from going bad. While the enzymes are working, so with the help of this working of the enzyme, now the food is changed into the semi-fluid state, and it is called the chyme. This chyme is now goes into the another part of the digestive system, that is the small intestine. In the small intestine, first the digestion starts from the duodenum, that is the one part of the small intestine.